Ultra-quiet operation. The Genie QuietLift Connect is an ultra-quiet garage door opener that is ideal for garages attached to living spaces. Smart garage system compatible with Alexa Google Assistant. The integrated Aladdin Connect technology allows you to monitor, open and close your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone. New features allow you to operate the door with voice control using the Aladdin Connect custom skill for Alexa or Google Assistant. Easy to install. This smart garage features a strong 5-piece rail system snaps together for easy installation. It's lightweight with no added hardware needed. Plus, pre-programmed remotes are ready to use out of the box to eliminate additional steps. 3/4 HPC power. The DC motor will smoothly and quietly lift a sectional garage door up to 7 feet tall, up to 500 pounds. Or 8 feet tall with additional extension kit, sold separately. Plus, the steel-reinforced belt drive system adds strength, durability value. Garage door accessories. This smart garage door opener comes with built-in Aladdin Connect, 2 pre-programmed 3-button remotes, a wireless keypad, and a multi-function wall console. The Genie QuietLift Connect belt drive smart garage door opener offers a DC motor paired with a steel-reinforced belt, making this quiet garage door opener the ideal choice for garages that are attached to living spaces. Plus, the integrated Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi smartphone technology allows your garage door to be part of your smart home. You can turn your garage into a Wi-Fi garage with the Genie Aladdin Connect free smartphone app that allows you to set up virtual keys for individual users through their own app. The QuietLift Connect comes equipped with IntelliCode rolling code technology that prevents unauthorized persons from gaining access. You will also enjoy the added conveniences of 2 pre-programmed 3-button garage door opener remotes for quicker setup. A wireless exterior keypad, and a wall control panel with an independent light button and vacation lock are also included for added security. To help you keep up with constantly evolving technology, this garage door controller is also compatible with digital assistants for the ultimate convenience and security. Use it with your Google Assistant and Alexa to keep your house seamlessly connected. The Genie Safe T-Beam garage door safety sensors ensure your family's safety and help prevent accidents with an infrared beam of light across the door opening. The QuietLift Connect smart garage door opener is supported by our team of US-based technical support representatives available by phone or chat. Due to California Senate Bill No. 969, as of 1 July 2019, all garage door openers, sold to or installed at any residence in California, must have a battery backup system included. Please search for Genie Battery Backup to find one that is in compliance with this law.